Hi Nawazuddin, hi Niharika, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, the film Miss Lovely is finally finding a release in India after 2 years. At some point, कभी आपको लगा कि बस ये रिलीज नहीं होगी यहाँ पे? You want to just give up and say that it might not happen?
हाँ, मुझे कई बार लगा ऐसा कि शायद रिलीज़ नहीं होगी, ऐसा हुआ था। तो लेकिन फाइनली ये रिलीज़ हो रही है और बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए। सबसे हम लोगों के लिए खुशी की बात ये है कि ये रिलीज़ हो रही है, दैट्स इट।
Correct, हाँ. Niharika, what about you?
See, I don't think the purpose of this film was to basically just be seen in Indian theatres. I think that if you meet our filmmaker, you'll understand that he makes films for the love of cinema, and actually he didn't really think that he's going to find distribution in India.
Right.
You know, the money that's been put in, you know, in this film, it's mostly international money. It's an international co-production. So we never really thought that it's going to have an India release. So we're very excited that finally we found distribution here. It's going to be in theatres in India.
Absolutely.
So we're just happy about that.
Yeah, in fact, the director was saying, Ashim Hanawale was saying that the fact that a film with such adult content is releasing over here and the way it's releasing is a surprise in itself.
More than the adult content, I think the fact that it's an independent film, you know, it doesn't have any studio money, and we don't really have independent films releasing in theatres. So the fact that a film of this nature is getting a theatrical release, and that is such a huge release, you know, 400 screens, that itself is actually a victory.
Yeah, and we also heard that censor has just given it 4 cuts. वो कैसे हुआ?
वो काफ़ी कट सजेस्ट किए थे सेंसर ने, उसकी वजह से एक साल
157 cuts initially कुछ था.
हाँ, इनिशियली उसकी वजह से ऑशिम काफ़ी डिस्कशन हुआ और काफ़ी आना जाना रहा उसका इस चक्कर में। 1 साल हो गया हमें, तो 1 साल के बाद फाइनली जो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया वो 4 कट में पास किया।
But Nawaz, when you first heard the script of the film, कभी आपको लगा कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बोल्ड है? You know, can I do this, something like this?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा। बल्कि मुझे तो और अच्छा लगा था क्योंकि इस स्क्रिप्ट को बहुत अच्छे से मैं जानता था पहले से, क्योंकि ऐसे लोगों के बीच में मैं रहा था। तो जब ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट सामने आती है कि जिसका कनेक्शन आपकी लाइफ से होता है, तो डेफिनेटली एक एक्साइटमेंट आ जाता है कि हाँ अरे यार ये तो बहुत अच्छे से मैं कर दूंगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ इस वर्ल्ड को।
So what do you mean मैं जानता हूँ? Like you've met such people, you've interacted with them?
हाँ, मैं तकरीबन मैं कोई 3 साल रहा उन लोगों के साथ, सी ग्रेड फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ, डायरेक्टर्स और ये सब लोगों के साथ। 1-2 फिल्में भी की थी उनके साथ, तो उनमें बीच में कुछ गायब हो गए, कुछ रहे नहीं इस दुनिया में। तो मैं तो वही करने के लिए आया था एक्चुअली। गांव से मुझे लगा था कि सी ग्रेड की फिल्मों में काम करेंगे, उसमें सीन भी मिल जाते हैं करने के लिए, पैसा का पैसा मिलेगा, हाँ, पैसा भी मिलेगा, इससे अच्छा और क्या चाहिए।
We also heard that you know, your friends and family advised you not to do this film because people might think you're doing something like a porn film. You know, so how did you come along, you know, and get convinced about this?
I don't think anybody had to convince me.
Really?
I think people didn't understand. Yeah, people around me didn't understand this film, but I was the one who was offered this film, so I was the one reading the script.
Right. So what was the reaction when you first read the script?
I love the script.
Yeah.
I still think it's one of the best scripts I've ever read, you know. And I'm somebody who's fond of reading. मैं तो अपने दोस्तों के भी scripts लेके screenplays उठा के पढ़ती हूँ. I'm interested in reading. I really think it was a beautifully written script. And I saw Oshim's last film, John and Jane, which was a documentary, and I thought, I mean, what a fantastic filmmaker. So I was always convinced.
Thank you so much, guys. It was great talking to you all, and I really hope people go out there and watch Miss Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us here.